double up. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to you with a skincare routine. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. The first product that I'm using is this micellar cleansing water from Garnier. I really like this product because if you have oily skin like me, this will balance out your skin. Moving on to step 2, I am gonna do a face mask. I am gonna mix together apple cider vinegar and Indian healing clay. This mask is amazing if you have acne because it really clarifies your skin. Step 3, I am using this Esano Rose Hip Toner. It really helps to close up the pores that you just opened up with the mask, and then it also tightens up your skin. Once your skin is dry from the toner, I like to apply a lip scrub. The reason why I'm applying lip scrub is because my lips are so dry, and that has been working well for me.
You love me like whoa, oh, oh. You love me like yeah. You love me like no. You love me like whoa, oh, oh. You love me like yeah. You love me like no. You love me like whoa, oh, oh. You love me like yeah. You love me like no. You love me like whoa.
Step 4, I am gonna use the Pearlessence Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Facial Serum. That serum is so good to hydrate the skin, and the combination of vitamin C with hyaluronic acid really helps to prevent aging and to rejuvenate the skin. Okay, step 5, I am hydrating my skin. I really recommend this moisturizer. I know it's a bit hard to find it, I would order it online, but I swear that has been the best moisturizer I ever heard. My skin is so soft, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which is also good with aging. Step 6, I am using this Melvita eye contour gel. This cream is really good to reduce puffiness and dark circle.
Oh, if you keep dancing like that, meet me at the jewelry store. I'm at the wife you up.
Step 7, I am using the Palmer's Ultimate Lip Moisturizer. Again, I have to moisturize a lot in order for my lips to actually be smooth and not be super dry and flaky. So if you have the same problem, I would definitely recommend this one. It's a great product. And that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to check out the description box below because I will have all the products listed. Also, I would really appreciate if you guys can support me and subscribe to my channel and like and comment my video. I am just starting on YouTube, so I really appreciate some support. Thank you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.